Hey, Dan. Morning.
Morning, Mike.
Are you working?
Yes, since 8.
So early. Wow.
Big deadline today.
What project is?
The Johnson Report.
Oh, that one.
Very important client.
Deadline is when?
3 o'clock today.
That is soon.
Yes, working fast.
Need any help?
Maybe later. Thanks.
Just ask me.
You are kind.
Working from office?
Yes, came early.
What time arrived?
7:30 today.
Very dedicated. Wow.
Had to finish.
Report almost done?
70% finished.
Good progress then.
Yes, going well.
Working alone today?
Yes, solo project.
No team helping?
They have tasks.
I understand that.
It is fine.
Need some coffee?
Yes, please. Thanks.
I will get.
You are a lifesaver.
Just coffee, huh?
Best coffee here?
Working through lunch?
Probably, yes, sadly.
Not healthy, Dan.
Just today, okay?
I bring food.
Really? Amazing. Thanks.
What do you want?
Anything healthy, please.
Sandwich and salad?
Perfect. Thank you.
No problem, Dan.
You are best.
Usually this busy?
Only month end.
Ah, month end.
Always very hectic.
How long here?
3 years now?
Do you enjoy?
Yes, mostly yes.
What do you enjoy?
Problem solving, analysis.
Great skills, Dan.
Thank you, Mike.
Working on laptop?
Yes, 2 screens.
2 screens. Professional.
Helps me faster.
Smart setup, that.
Yes, works well.
Working overtime today?
Hopefully not. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed indeed.
Finish by 3.
Good plan, Stick.
I will try.
Overtime often here?
Sometimes, not much.
Good work balance.
Yes, very important.
Very wise thinking.
Learned hard way.
We all did.
Very true.
Working this weekend?
No, definitely not.
Rest is important.
Weekend is family.
Have any children?
Yes, 2 boys.
How old are?
5 and 7.
Beautiful ages, that.
Very energetic boys.
Ha! Good exercise.
Best workout ever.
Anything else working?
No, just report.
Full focus today.
100%.
Right approach, Dan.
No distractions today.
Should I leave?
No, stay please.
Good, I enjoy.
Clears my head.
Talking helps focus.
Yes, always helps.
Free office therapy.
Best therapy ever.
Working home tomorrow?
Yes, remote day.
Comfortable working home.
Very productive too.
Home or office?
Both have benefits.
Very balanced view.
Home for focus.
Office for meetings.
Exactly, works well.
Company is flexible.
Yes, I appreciate.
Good companies keep people.
Absolutely true, Mike.
Happy here overall?
Yes, very happy.
Great to hear.
Good team matters.
Like us too.
Exactly like us.
Colleagues are precious.
Very true, Mike.
Back to work.
Deadline is waiting.
Coffee coming soon.
Thank you. Wonderful.
Just being colleague.
That's colleague here.
Thank you.
Good luck, Mike.
Good luck, Dan.
See you later.
See you lunch.
Yes, with sandwich.
Do not forget.
Never forget. Bye.
Bye. Work hard.
Always do. Goodbye.